Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. You guys, I'm really excited about this video today. I missed out on this palette during its first release, but luckily the brand did a pre-order and I was able to get it. And this video is the Resurrection palette by Wicked Widow Beauty. Like, can we just talk about how amazing this artwork is? It is absolutely stunning. And then the best part, these gorgeous shadows on the inside. Like, I'm wanting to do kind of like a rainbow look, so let's see what happens. But yeah, I am just absolutely in love with this palette. I love Wicked Widow Beauty. I have used several of their palettes on my channel. I know that the quality is phenomenal, so I know this is going to be a great palette. And let's go ahead and get started. So, you guys, I'm just going to do like a light shade in the crease, and then we're just going to go in with these beautiful shimmers on the lid. And of course we'll do two different looks. So the first eye, I think this one is going to be like our orangish, reddish, greenish eye, and then the other one's going to be like more bluish, purple, whatever. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start with this shade. I just stuck my, oh, that is beautiful. I accidentally stuck my finger in the shade Adorned Carving. It's gorgeous. So for just the transition shade, I'm like, do I want to go yellow or orange? Let's go yellow because I don't know. It's just really beautiful. Reminiscence right here. Yeah, I am so super duper duper excited, you guys. I was so sad when I missed out on this the first go around, and then I just was so happy when I found out that they were gonna do a pre-order for it and release another round of palettes. So glad I was able to get it. And I'm really just looking forward to do just a bright, fun, colorful look today. Okay, that is bright. That is, she pretty? She pretty? Okay. And I just, like I said, I just want to put this down as kind of like a transition shade, and then we're gonna get into the fun stuff really fast. So, not that the whole palette's not fun, but you know, I'm that shimmer girl. I just love shimmer, so that's what I am really looking forward to. So we're gonna take some NYX glitter primer, put that all over the lid, and then we're gonna have some fun with this. Okay. So I feel like I normally would start like from the outside and go in. Is that what I want to do? You know what? Let's stick with that because that's normally what I would do. So we're gonna do like an orange, red, greenish look on this eye, I think. Let me just make sure I don't want to change anything. Yeah. So we're gonna start with this green shade right here. And we're just gonna put that on the outermost portion of this eye. So it's kind of going to be rainbowy, but kind of a little different. If that's okay. This is such a pretty shade. Love that. All right. Now for the center shade, we're going to go in with this really pretty shade Devotion, which is this awesome red shade right there. Because I want the inner corner to be a lighter shade. So again, kind of rainbow, kind of different, but hopefully it all works out. Oh, this is That's pretty. She pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And I'm just kind of like lightly blending it into that green shade just a little bit. So they just all kind of like work together. Okay. And now we're gonna go in with the orange shade Mosaic, which looks like it might have like a bit of like a green tone to it. I probably should have pre-swatched these because like some of them are those shifty shades, but it's okay. We'll see what happens. Holy crap, that's awesome. Okay. Oh my god, it's like kind of like pinky. Okay. Love, love that so much. That is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more devotion just to kind of like define it a little more because it is pretty close to the Mosaic shade. So just to make sure it stands out and has its own little moment, you know, we don't want to steal the show from anybody. Yeah, I just want to put a little more of that down. Okay, this is really, really cool. I really, really love how, oh, that is so pretty. So, so pretty. Okay. Now for the lower lash line, what do I want to do? Let's just go with the shade Sanctuary, which is like this really pretty green shade right there. Okay, and then I want to take, what do I want to do? Let's take the shade Ritual, which is this orange shade, and let's just like blend it out with that. Okay, and now for that lower inner corner highlight, you know, we have to have that. I'm going to use the shade Halo, which is the shade right here. Okay, that totally turned like the coolest shade of like green. That I was not expecting that. Okay, that is so cool. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and start with the other eye, which is going to be the more bluish, purplish eye. And I'm going to start with, once I get this brush cleaned off, the shade Belief, which is just this really pretty like lilac shade right there. That is beautiful. Okay. So, so pretty. So pretty. Now we're going to take that glitter glue, put it all over the lid like we did with the other eye. If you've been here, you know the routine. And then we're going to get started with some more of these beautiful, beautiful shimmer shades, which I just absolutely love. All right, we're going to start with the shade Prayer, which is this shade right here. And we're going to start the outermost portion of the eye. All these shades are just absolutely phenomenal. If you have not tried Wicked Widow Beauty, you need to. Okay, so we've got that on the outer portion of the eye. And now for the center portion, we're going to go in with the shade Serenity, which is right here. Oh, that is, Serenity is so beautiful. Just absolutely love, love this shade. Okay, and now for the inner corner portion of the eye, we're going to take Ethereal, which is right here. Oh man, that's another, so pretty. Such a pretty shade. I mean, they're all pretty, but like the blue purple shades just really get me. Okay. And then for the lower lash line for this one, let's start with the shade Growth, which is this blue shade right here. And then I'm just going to smudge that out with the shade Afterlife, which is right there. Okay. And now for that lower inner corner highlight, we're just gonna take that same shade Halo because it's so beautiful. So this one right there. This is just such a cool shade. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. I don't really see like much fallout, if any, so we'll go do mascara. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back. This is the Wicked Widow Beauty Resurrection palette. It is absolutely so fun and beautiful and everything my little colorful eyeshadow shimmer loving heart desired, and these are the looks that I came up with using this palette. And love it. Love the rainbow vibes. It's a little different, not in standard order, but it's just very colorful and fun. It's something I miss because during the week, I do work in a professional office. So while I do some colorful looks, I don't do like different looks on each eye. And I've been pretty tired for a while. So I usually do just like a basic, more neutral type of eye for the most part. So this was a lot of fun to dive into a colorful palette, do something fun for kind of a change, and I don't know, I love it. I love Wicked Widow Beauty. I highly recommend checking them out. And you guys, just thank you again so much. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you know someone who might like my content, please share it with them. Tell them about my channel. I'm doing my best to grow this channel as much as I can in this new year and just see where it can take me. And this is what keeps me going during the really hard work weeks. So thank you guys so much again. Just please remember that you are loved. You are amazing. Believe in yourself. Just have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.